just look.
I'm gonna be
They're
Rico.
still here. They're still here.
Ayan.
Bro, I have some badmintons,
Well,
but I don't have a ball. But I don't have a
racket. Wala kang chicken?
Bye, mom.
Wala naman talagang chicken sa badminton eh.
No, the ball that you hit with the
Ball.
rat-
Shuttlecock.
racket. Yeah, shuttlecock.
Bye, Mig. Hindi ko siya jowa. Best friend lang.
Bro, he's a different religion.
Ano ba religion mo?
Catholic.
Him?
Huh?
Anong religion niya? Ken.
Hindi ko alam.
Bakit ako? Sino ba titukoy mo? Sino ba titukoy mo sa kanya? Sabi niya. Dito titukoy niya. Kala ko nga ako hindi sabi niya na asawa ko to si Kent eh. Kala ko hindi titukoy niya eh. Ikaw yun, no?
Definitely not me. I said definitely not. My shoulder. Oh, badminton. I don't wanna play, but I hit that badminton like a baseball.
I hate it normally. Like, wait, I did it like this. Ano ba yung
I
ano?
hold it like this sometimes.
Ako ginagawa ko parang try in the air and kick it in the air.
I do this. Sometimes I do it like a baseball.
Ginaganto mo?
Can we play baseball?
No, we don't have a baseball match.
I think we can play because baseball is also a sport. If I had
Sana may running sila dito. Sana.
if I had a bat and a ball and a glove,
Where's the balls? Wala.
I would grab Chanel and
You can't even grab Jason. Why do you think you can grab Chanel?
no, I would
Hi, Francine.
I would get
Bye.
Chanel and play with her with baseball. Hell yeah!
Hell yeah! You're so
It's
loud.
closed.
Uwi na po. Yeah. Bro, it's been like 20 minutes. Why didn't he get you yet? Ayun no. Bye.
Bye.
Ouch. Keep up. Okay. La 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 la. La la la. Ay, pamatay ko pala. Salamat po. Kanya vlog.